Look at the upcoming taxes. With all these pay tax increases, Sri Lanka collected only over just a little above 100 billion rupees last year. Now, what's scary is this before the end of this year, they're introducing property tax. Mind you, this is a newspaper article on the bottom layer from the 10th of March, which stated that the IMF team was in Sri Lanka to explore property tax. You may have seen this new circular or new gazette that was going around. It is from the 21st of March, where the rule was that all departments, the registrar of companies, the Colombo Stock Exchange, all of these bodies, they need to provide information to the Inland Revenue Department. There's a guy, taxadvisor.lk, I think. He's done some very good videos, detailed videos on how the government is tracking you and going to catch people who are absconders, right? And the scary thing here is 363 billion versus 100 billion. Where is the bulk of the value of real estate in Sri Lanka? Urbanized hubs. So outside the city of Colombo, perhaps Kandy, Galle, and a few major cities would have high values. So now everyone suddenly has to start paying. One of the exemptions that were in place previously when property tax was in place at a higher level was that the primary residence was exempted, right? So your own home, you live there, no problem. But your secondary properties get taxed. Then gift and inheritance tax. Now I love this story where Chambudita was interviewing Dhammika Pereira and asked him, don't you owe a bunch of money in taxes from your casino? And you know what his response was? I don't own a casino. That's my brother's. Okay. So he had transferred because presumably he claimed that he paid over ₹1 billion in taxes before he took his seat in parliament. So here's the fun part. He transferred the asset to somebody else, whoever it is, and paid nothing in tax. And he can transfer it right back, paying nothing in tax. And it is to prevent that gift tax and inheritance tax is being brought in.